Hello, my name is Roderick L. Jackson. I work for the Michigan Department of Transportation. I work in the Oakland TSC, and I am a traffic operation technician. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the area of transportation technicians. There are about 6 areas that you can work in as a transportation tech. The first is surveys. Survey techs, they do all of the surveying and laying out the alignment of the highway. If you need a new ramp or you need a new area of the highway, survey techs will lay that out. And then they will give that to our design squad. Our design squad will use those alignments in order to build the highway. And they will have a design or a drafting tech that will do all of the plan sheets for the highway, from the maintaining traffic to the actual building of the highway. Where are the drainage structures? Where are the utilities? Where are the signs? Where are the pavement markings? Any sheets that are needed, a design tech can put those in CAD for the work of the road. Then you have an engineering tech. Engineering techs, they go out and they do testing. They do cores of the road before it's built to determine what is underneath, the soil composition. They'll do cores after the road is done to see what are the layers in the pavement and all the way down to the sub base. They test all materials that are used in the highway, the sand, the aggregate, the rebar, any materials that are used. The engineering tech can do studies and tests on that material. And you got a construction tech. Construction techs, they facilitate the actual building of the highways from the plans that they are given by the contractor, and they just make sure that they are complete. One of their basic tests is a density test to make sure that the compaction of the soil is proper on the lower levels. Then they will do concrete tests for all concrete that is used throughout the job. Then they just make sure that every aspect of the road is done according to the plans that they are given. And that could be signs, that could be pavement markings, that could be guardrail, anything that has to do with those plans. The construction techs make sure that the work is done properly. Then you have a permit tech, and the permit techs, they deal with the road mostly after it's done. Anybody that wants to do anything in the right of way of the Department of Transportation, say you want to build a driveway, you bring that in, and the permit agent goes through everything, and then the permit tech will go out in the field and he will make sure that you're putting it in properly, or that you put it in properly. He deals with the utilities, DTE, or any cables that need to go on the road. He makes sure that when they're out there on the road that they're safe, that they have a permit to do the work that they need to do on the road. And then you have a traffic operations tech, and that's what I do. I work with my traffic engineer and my operations engineer. We deal with every aspect of the road, from signs, that they're proper. We deal with all signals that are on our roads. We deal with the pavement markings on our roads. We review safety on our roads. Say somebody keeps running off a road in a particular area, I go and I look at it, and I look at the super elevations, and we try to determine whether we need guardrail in there. And then I work with my operation engineer in construction, so I can go out in the construction work zone. I can review the work zone. I can ride the work zone for timing. I can look at the detour. I can look at any aspect that is dealing with a work zone to make sure that everything is safe and working properly. And so those are the areas that you can work as a technician for the Department of Transportation. So thank you, and have a great day.